Okay, Saturday C5 update. Getting ready to put the DeWitt's radiator in. So, Brian's got everything pulled out. Gear box, all that mess. Just to make it easier. It's pretty straightforward, but if you see the difference in core thickness, DeWitt's is a little thicker than this. This is maybe an inch. It's a little tight on the ABS pump, but it should slide up. It's going to unhook from the AC condenser. There's little hooks on the condenser that hook into the radiator. I apologize for not having mine on, but the DeWitt is a little chunkier, shall we say. I mean, it will fit in the same package. TIG welded nice. Too bad you won't be able to see any of it, but it's just well made. It's a nice piece. Are they expensive? Yes. As the rule goes, it's usually expensive because it doesn't suck. So, not that we're getting sponsored from them or anything. That's going to be the order of business today. Hopefully there'll be an update video later with us pulling it out of the garage, taking it for a rip. So, update for now.